Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I revive my 2 weeks synthetic crochet braids plus spring orange makeup. So stay tuned, and all the products I used in this video will be listed down below. If you guys are interested, you can check it out. And I also have a video on my channel on how I install this hair. I'm going to put it in the description box so you guys can go and show your guys some love. And I also have a video coming up soon on how I took it down, so stay tuned. So guys, keep on watching, okay?
We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in.
So in this bottle I have just only water. I'm going to add a little bit of conditioner, and then I will shake it very well, and then I will start spraying it on the synthetic crochet hair. So I went ahead and put towel on my shoulder because the product was dropping all over my body. I mean the water and the conditioner, and I sprayed a lot of product on the synthetic hair because I want it to be soft and nice when I'm done, if you know what I mean.
What happens next? How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit long? How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit long? We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. If we sail a little bit high, a little bit long, a little bit high, a little bit long, a little bit high, a little bit long, a little bit high, a little bit low. I don't know any road that lead us back home, and I don't know any road.
So now that we are done with the reviving process, I'm going to use my orange scarf to tie the hair around. Guys, I love this scarf. I love how the color complements my skin tone, and I love how my hair, I mean the synthetic hair, how it feels right now. It feels so soft and refreshed. Anyways, now that we are done with all of that, let's move on to the makeup, okay? So keep on watching.
Our lips, they tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed in my arms. You're safe and sound without a to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. Our lips, they tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed. In my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat. And I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. If we sail a little bit high, a little bit low, a little bit high, a little bit low, a little bit high, a little bit low, a little bit high, a little bit low. I don't know any roads that lead us back home, and I don't know any roads that lead us back home. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? I need us to be a little bit high, a little bit low, completely alone. Our lips, they tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed. In my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat. And I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. Our lips, they tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed. In my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat. And I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? How far can we?
That is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also hit the red button if you haven't already, and I will see you all very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.